Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon hamburger. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we draw a small circle coming in for a highlight. And then on the bottom right side, we're going to add a smaller highlight circle. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes across the bottom, draw a straight line going across the top of the mouth. Go back to the left side, draw a half oval, going down and then up. Let's draw a straight line across the top of the teeth, curve across the bottom for the tongue, and it'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to draw a long straight line going across the bottom of the bun. Let's start over on the left side. Draw a straight line, go over towards the right. And it'll go all the way back over towards the left side. Let's curve the top of the bun. We're going to go up above the eyes and then start to bring that down on the right. Let's sprinkle some sesame seeds across the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side with an oval. I'm just going to angle these going across, just turning them. Now we're going to add a layer of lettuce, starting from the bottom corner. Just going to curve this around, bend this up. Now we're going to draw a wave going all the way across towards the right side, and then curl that back in towards the bottom corner. Let's add the tomato, draw two short lines coming down, and it will flatten off the bottom. From the bottom corners of the tomato, we're just going to round up the patty, going out and then back in. And then again, just going to flatten off the bottom. Let's add the cheese coming down the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this in and down toward the center. Bend this up and out towards the right. Let's round out the edge of the bun. And it'll flatten this off with a straight line. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup dripping down on the left side. Let's start from the top, come down, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a short one over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's our cute cartoon drawing of a hamburger. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.